What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Dad Talks. Today we are going to be taking a quick and basic review of the Q9 Smartwatch fitness tracker. This watch goes for about anywhere between the mid-20s to low 30s US dollars, depending on the website and seller that you choose to get this watch from. If you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you guys can use my eBay affiliate link in the video description below, and it will take you to eBay and trust the sellers, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you guys have not yet already, make sure to subscribe to my channel because you guys don't want to miss out on our latest reviews on the newest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. Now let's begin. The smartwatch comes with the very essential and standard fitness tracking functions, which include sleep monitor, your pedometer, which keeps track of your steps, calories, and distance that you walk or run. It also comes with a blood pressure monitor, which is very nice, in my opinion, for the price, and a heart rate monitor. So let's begin and take a look at what this watch has to offer. This watch comes in a variety of different colors and band materials. So it could come in steel band or leather band. It also comes with comes in silver, gold, or black color. Now, let's browse through the watch and see what it has to offer. This watch only comes with one default watch face, unfortunately. So, that itself, it's not like the best offer that this that a watch in about $30 has to offer. I've seen watches in its $30 range, and it could come with more watch faces. But this is the only watch face it comes with. You're going to have your pedometer, which includes steps, calories, and distance. You're also going to have your sleep monitor, which in my opinion I don't really use because I don't want to wear a watch to sleep. And I know I get pretty good sleep anyways. It's going to have your heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor. Now we're going to take a look at how accurate the heart rate monitor and blood pressure monitor are. I'm not going to put this watch on because it's such a hassle just putting this steel band on. I don't like steel band watches. But for those of you who do, I'm sure it's no hassle. Now let's see how accurate this heart rate monitor is. Now I'm sedentary right now, so I'm just sitting down. So I expect myself to be somewhere in the high 60s to low 70s heart beats per minute range. Now this heart rate monitor on this watch actually continuously track your heart rate monitor, your heart rate, so it doesn't stop at any one point and give you a final reading, but it's gonna give you a continuous rating as long as you have the watch on. Now it's giving me somewhere in the 80s, which may or may not be accurate because I am talking a little faster, but at least it's not too much out of my my initial range if I was calm and sitting down. Now if I don't talk, it does stay around the 60s range, which is not far from my expectations. So we're going to move on from here because it's going to be continuous reading. And for any fluctuations in my activity, you're going to see a fluctuation in my BPM. Now we're going to go to the blood pressure monitor. I expect myself to be under 120 for the higher reading and under 100 on the lower reading. So about 90s in the lower reading. Because I don't have high blood pressure. I'm someone in my 30s and I'm healthy. Now let's give it 20 seconds before I get a reading. So this is definitely out of my range for the higher number because I said I expected myself to be under 110 on the higher reading. For the lower reading is within my expectations. But whenever you do get readings from these fitness trackers, you do definitely want to cross-reference it with another device that you already trust before trusting these readings any further. So that would conclude the usage on this watch and the heart rate monitor and blood pressure monitors on this watch. Like we have seen, the heart rate monitor seems a little bit more accurate, but the blood pressure monitor on this watch, particular watch especially, was out of my expectations. For a watch that's about $30, I would get this watch for its style. But as we have seen, the fitness trackers might be a little off. And it might also depend on the particular watch that you receive as well. But definitely do cross-reference it with another trustworthy device before trusting these readings any further. And this will conclude the video. Thank you very much. Now see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.